this bumper bracket is broken. I think it was hit by a motor or something, got into an accident, or maybe a minor one. So to change this bracket, you first need to remove, we say, one screw here, and then you can pull this out. It will come out. There is a hook, small hook here. See that? So you will have to, and then you have to lift it up a bit and then pull it out. You will need to remove this. 1, 2. Basically, you need to bring this whole thing down for you to you don't need to remove the whole bumper off. So just basically you need a space to pull this down, and then there'll be a few screws clip down here. You don't have to remove all. The clip is basically down here. You have to check that it's down here. 1, and then you see this hook, just this one. Basically the bumper is holding. You see that? See that? Okay, we need to remove both on this side also. It is a clip. After you have managed to remove those clip end, those screws, then you will have the access here. I've already changed mine. So this bracket, there is a, you see this up here, there's an extension here, so you cannot pull it from this side. That's why you will need it from this side. From this side there will be bolts. 1, 2, 3. First, you will need to remove the bolt. The easiest way to remove the bolt is to pull this down. You need maybe a helper. Pull it down. You don't need to use a ratchet or anything. There is no torque. Okay, there is no torque here. So basically, you'll just get a screwdriver, a long one, and then you press it in. The easiest way would be that you use a drill. Get a drill here, somebody, and then just open it. It'll be very fast. 1, 2, 3. Take it off. And to start off, you will need to pull from this side. You will need to pull from this side. There is about 4 clips inside. See here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you start from this side, you will need to pull it out. There's only 3 screws here. Pop, 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 pop. And then from here, as the extension part, this is the extension part that's holding it. So, and then you will need to lift it off and then go to that side. Okay, pop, 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 and then pull it over there. When you going to put it back in, start from this side and then solid in, and then just you have to push it in from here. Okay, try to you need to really press it. Don't try to pry it like this, so because you might damage this part here, which is the part that you see here. This design is supposed to push in, so it will hold this. Basically, that is it for the left and right. It's very simple. So if it's something like this, if it's open up, means that it's either your bumper has been damaged, or basically the bracket is broken or loose. So that's about it. Before you do this, I recommend you purchase this. Buy maybe 10 or 20 pieces and get this. So buy these things first. I'm going to put it like this so you can see the picture.